I'm gonna tell y'all the crazy story of what just happened to me just now. Somebody dressed up as Jigsaw tried to attack me, y'all. Like, seriously, like, this crap is crazy, y'all. Like, this mug was literally dressed up as Jigsaw, y'all. Like, this mug had on, he had the whole costume on. He had the bike, the tricycle. He had the red shoes, the mask, the whole suit. Then he came up to me saying like, "Do you want to play a game?" I'm like, "What?" Then he was like, then he asked me again, "Do you want to play a game?" I was like, "No." Nah. I just started dipping, y'all. Then, oh shit! I think I see right there. Oh my gosh, y'all! He's coming after me, y'all. He's like running after me, y'all. Do you want to play a game? Y'all hear that? Smart chasing after me, y'all. I think I managed to escape from y'all. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I gotta go.